Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can dress up as a girl Jennifer, or people like to call her Jenna. I'm just going to change my body to the normal Roblox body here. And then I'm going to go to the catalog. First, we are going to deal with the head. So let's go to the head section, and I'm just going to type in anime surprise. I am going to use, I think it's this one. Also just going to remove that, and that's for the head of it. For the hair, I am going to go to the hair selection, and then I'm going to type in cinnamon hair. Use this one. Let me just remove this one. And then for the outfit, go to clothing and just type in Jenna. Should pop up. This one. And I'm just going to remove the rest of my outfit. Oops. Like so. You can stop here, but she added more accessories to her outfit. She added like a flower crown. I don't know if it's going to show because there's a bunch of options for it. So, and it's just called flower crown. So I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it. It's just like a literal like crown. Oh, it's this one. Oh my gosh, she has that one. That's crazy. Okay. Well, I'm not going to purchase it obviously, but. And then she also has like a free hug sign. So let's search for that. Let's go to all. I don't know if it's here or is it in clothing. If I can't find it, then I'm sorry, but like it's literally hard because there is a lot. Okay, if you can't find that, you can just add in the Jenna shoulder pal, which is this one. And then you're going to add the other one, the Jenna Diabla. And this one. And that is how you can create the character. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Also, the emotes or like the movement she uses is the pirate one, if you were curious. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.